Just imagine this. You are standing near a river. The water is flowing, waves are crashing, rain is pouring, and a fish suddenly dives into the water. But have you ever noticed something interesting? All these actions have special verbs. They are called water action verbs. Today you will learn water action verbs that will improve your vocabulary. And at the end of this video, there will be a fun quiz to test your knowledge. So don't go anywhere and stay with me till the end. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Educational Hub. These verbs are very useful in daily English, storytelling and writing. So let's start learning. Spill means let liquid fall accidentally. Spill. When a liquid accidentally comes out of its container and is spread around, it happens if you drop, tilt, or overfill something like a glass or bottle. Usually happens suddenly when something is handled carelessly. Drip. To fall or let out small drops of liquid slowly one by one. Drip. When liquid falls in small drops slowly, it happens when water or any liquid leaks little by little from something. Dripping is slow and steady, not fast like pouring. Leak means escape through a hole. Leak. When liquid or gas slowly comes out from a small hole or crack, it happens when something is broken or not closed properly. A leak usually happens slowly and may go unnoticed at first. Pour. To make a liquid flow steadily and smoothly from one container to another in a continuous stream. It is a controlled action where the liquid is directed carefully, not accidentally, and usually done slowly or at a chosen speed. Overflow means flow over the edge. To flow over the edge of a container when it becomes too full and cannot hold any more liquid. It happens when excess liquid is added or builds up, causing it to spill out uncontrollably beyond its limit. Splash means scattered liquid drops. To scatter liquid in many small drops when it is hit, thrown, or disturbed suddenly. It usually happens with some force causing the liquid to spread quickly in different directions and sometimes make a sound. Soak means make very wet. To make something completely wet by allowing it to absorb liquid over a period of time, it means placing an object in a liquid like water so that the liquid slowly penetrates and fills it, making it thoroughly saturated. Steam. Water in the form of a gas that is produced when water is heated to its boiling point and changes state from liquid to gas. It is normally invisible, but when it cools and mixes with air, it can appear as a visible white mist. Steam is commonly seen rising from boiling water, kettles, or hot surfaces. Flood. A flood is a situation where a large amount of water covers land that is normally dry. It is usually occurs when rivers, lakes, or seas overflow or when there is heavy rainfall that the ground and drainage systems cannot absorb quickly. Floods can spread over wide areas, damage homes, roads, crops, and can also disrupt daily life and transportations. Float. To stay on or move at the surface of a liquid without sinking, an object floats when it is less dense than the liquid it is in, or when the liquid provides enough upward force to support it. Floating objects remain partly or fully above the surface of the liquid. Flow means smooth and continuous movement of a liquid. It describes the natural movement of something from one place to another, like water flowing in a river or air flowing through a space. Flow can be fast or slow, but it is generally uninterrupted and directed in a particular path. Let's quickly review the water action verbs which we learned today. Now it's quiz time. Let's see how many answers you remember. Let's test your knowledge. Question number 1. Which verb means to jump into water head first? Option number 1 float, option number 2 dive, option number 3 spray. Question number 2. Which verb means to stay on the surface of the water? Option number 1 is float, option number 2 is sing, and option number 3 is pour. Now the question number 3. Which verb describes water falling slowly in drops? Drip, flood, and option number 3 is pour. So friends, write your answer in the comments below. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because in this channel, Smart Education Hub, you will always learn new and interesting things in a very simple way. So friends, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.